Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about two really important ideas in physics, scalars and vectors. I will explain them in the simplest way possible using everyday examples. Let's get started. First, let's talk about scalars. Scalars are measurements that only tells us how much of something there is. They don't tell us any direction. It just has magnitude or size, but no direction. Let me explain with examples. If I say I walked 5 kilometers, I am only telling you the distance I walked. This is a scalar because it's just a number. Temperature is another scalar. If it's 30 degrees Celsius outside, you know how hot it is, but there is no direction with that information. Time is also a scalar. If a movie lasts 2 hours, it's just telling you the amount of time with no direction. So, scalars only give you a number, but they don't tell you anything about direction. Now let's look at vectors. Vectors give us two things, both magnitude and direction. So, with vectors, you know how much and where something is going. If I say I walked 5 kilometers north, that's a vector. I am telling you both the distance walked and the direction. Speed is a scalar, but velocity is a vector. If I say I am driving at 60 km per hour, that's my speed. But if I say I am driving 60 km per hour to the east, that's my velocity. It's a vector. When you push or pull something, you are applying force, which is a vector. If I push a box with 10 Newton to the right, I am telling you both the magnitude and direction. So, scalars only tell you the magnitude or size or amount, but vectors give you both magnitude and direction. Let's look at a few everyday examples to see how scalars and vectors are used in real life. If you hear that the wind is blowing at 20 km per hour, that is the speed, a scalar. But if you hear it's blowing 20 km per hour to the west, that's the wind's velocity, it is a vector. In soccer, when a player kicks the ball, they apply a force to the ball. That force has a magnitude and a direction. So, force is a vector. If you travel 100 kilometers, that's a scalar. But if you travel 100 kilometers north, that's a vector because now you know both the magnitude and direction. So, scalars tell you how much or how long something is, but they don't give you direction. Example for scalars are time, temperature, distance, etc. Vectors tell you both how much and in which direction. Example for vectors are velocity, displacement, force, etc. So, next time you hear speed versus velocity or distance versus displacement, you will know that one is a scalar and the other is a vector. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between scalars and vectors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more simple physics lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.